Mm. Yeah. Hi friends. Today we are going to learn about shallow copy and deep copy in JavaScript. Okay. So we will at the end of the video we will get to know about what is the shallow copy and deep copy and what is the difference between them. Okay. First of all, let's see what is copy in JavaScript. So suppose we have an object. Okay, like a student one with some properties name and age, and we want to copy this object into another object which is student2. Okay, now let's print both students. Okay, so now we have created one student1 object with some properties, and we have copied student1 object into student2, and we are printing student1 and student2. If see console, both are same. Student1 and student2 is same. So this is the normal copy. But the problem with this copy is, so whenever we change some value in one student, or either in student1 or student2, it will affect other object also. For example, I am changing student to name here. Student to dot name equal to some max. Okay. I have just changed the student to name to max. Okay. Now let's see how it will behave. Okay. Now you can see that. So it is affected student one also. I just changed student to dot name, but it is affected student one also. This is the problem with the normal copy. Okay. So to avoid this, we will use the shallow copy. So, so in JavaScript, shallow copy can be done in two ways: by using the spread operator and by using the object.assign. Okay, let's see how it will be done. Okay, I will comment this code. And okay. Here I will shallow copy. Okay, so as I said, shallow copy can done in two ways, by using one spread operator. Okay. Uh, so I have changed the copy technique. So I am using the spread operator. Rather than using the normal copy, I am using spread operator to copy the data from student1 to student2. Now I have changed student2 dot name to max. Now let's see how student now let's see student1 will affect or not. Okay, I am saving this file. See, now if you can see, student one name is still Narendra, but student two dot name is Max. It got changed. So by using the spread operator, which is shallow copy, so if we change anything in one object, it won't affect to other object. Okay. And yeah, another way of doing uh, shallow copy is by using object dot assign. Okay. Let me show that also. Object dot assign student one. Okay, now, okay, for change, I am changing age student dot two dot age equal to some 40. Okay, so I am saving the data. Yeah, if you can see here, now the student two dot age got changed. Okay, but student one age still remains the same because we have used the shallow copy. Okay, by using shallow copy by using object dot assign. Okay, so now let's see what is deep copy. So with shallow copy also we have one problem. So what is that problem means? Okay, I will comment this code. shallow deep copy. So what is the problem with like a shallow copy is, suppose so shallow copy will like in shallow copy, if in object we have nested objects. For suppose for the student one we have address as another object. So object inside another object which is nested object, and we have city as Hyderabad. Okay. Now, okay, and now we are copying student one to student two, but I am trying to change the city of the student two. Okay, to Delhi. Now let's see. So in shallow copy, with shallow copy, what we have learned, when we copy using shallow copy, it won't affect to other object, right? Changing something in one object won't affect to another object. But if we have nested objects, and if we do shallow copy by using object.sn or a spread operator, let's see what is the output. Okay. If you can see here, in both places, the address, the city got changed to Delhi. So whenever I changed student two dot address dot city, it the student one city also got changed. So this is the problem with the shallow copy. So what is the problem means? We if we have nested objects, we can also say level two objects. Then shallow copy won't apply for this kind of objects. So for this, we have to use the deep copy. So in JavaScript, how can we achieve deep copy? By using JSON.parse and JSON.stringify. Okay, JSON.parse, what JSON.stringify student one. Okay, now I have copied student one into student two by using deep copy. Okay, now let's see how it will be. Now, if you see here, so student one address is still Hyderabad, but student two address city got changed to Delhi. So which means deep copy is working. So if you change something in nested object in student two, it didn't affect to the student one address. So this all about the shallow normal copy, and what is the what is the problem with the normal copy, how it got solved with the shallow copy, and what is the problem with shallow copy, how it got solved with deep copy. We have seen that. So same thing will be applied to the arrays also. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you.